Remember the 12 years in the beginning of your life that you spent learning the basics. Imagine what you could achieve if you devoted more time to study, to learning, to growth. Imagine a world where every person chased knowledge like they knew it was invaluable, because it is. It's worth any price and usually costs nothing but time. And that's the world that the Knowledge Panel shows us. 7K Metals introduces one of the 7 beautiful notes in the 7 Pillars of Humanity Gold Note series, the Knowledge Panel. Inspired by the brilliant Tom Holdman's glass art masterpiece, The Roots of Humanity, the Knowledge Panel is a collection of discoveries, adaptation, and potential of humans throughout the ages we've existed on Earth. Did you know that the stories written in the stars date back to the Ice Age? Displayed in the panel by the Ursa Major and Minor constellations, Holdman's stars represent not only a navigation system used by ancient people to track their movements, but also a cultural phenomenon in which humans made up stories to explain the shape, movement, and patterns in the night sky. To think how far we've come from using stars as maps to predicting people's personalities by their star signs. There are 2 special additions to the Knowledge Panel we'd like to point out. A piece of an asteroid from the Moon and a piece of Mars are nestled into the artwork to breathe life into an already dynamic scene. The rocks are not only a huge flex, but they're also reminders of the brilliant minds that have made it possible for humanity to progress beyond Earth into the final frontier. In the forefront of the panel, a chemist is using an OMAX microscope that is amplifying a drop of seawater. On the glass slide is a quote by poet Khalil Gibran Jr. "In one drop of water are found all the secrets of the oceans. In one aspect of you are found all the aspects of existence." The poetic and true words remind us that we are all made up of the same stuff that makes up the world around us. A unifying thought, to say the least, and scientific proof that we are no less and no more than everything else around us. There are 109 symbolic scenes depicted in the Knowledge Panel that represent humankind and how it's learned, grown, and evolved into what it is today, as well as the potential for what it could be. Explore the panel for yourself as you collect the whole series, the 7 Pillars of Humanity.